when the weather became as cold as 40 degrees Fahrenheit, people were seen wearing the thickest clothes they had and complaining that it was too cold. Well, imagine being in a place as cold as negative 45 degrees Celsius. That place is Kazakhstan. You all might be thinking, what did she say? Or I've never even heard of that place before. Believe it or not, Kazakhstan is the 9th largest country in the world, and it's located in Central Asia between Russia, China, and the four stands. In 2011, in the Asian Winter Games, I participated in ice skating, and ever since being there, I've been pretty curious to know more about it. Kazakhstan is a special and unique country that deserves more attention. The first thing I'm going to talk about is the geography, popular places that stand out, and the cities. Second thing I'll talk about is the recent form of transportation. And the third thing I'll talk about is the Asian Winter Games. Khazakstan holds a population of 16 million people, and it holds, the land consists of 2.7 million square kilometers. Kazakhstan, again, is the 9th largest country in the world, and the size is comparable to India and Australia. The climate is continental, meaning very cold winters and very hot summers. The two popular cities in Kazakhstan are Almaty and Astana, and the capital is Astana. But in 1998, it was Almaty, but it's the biggest city. Some beautiful places in Kazakhstan include the singing sand dunes, which are sands that make a whistling sound when the wind blows. The Sharon Canyon, which is a lot like the Grand Canyon. And lastly, the Khan Tengri, which is one of the world's most beautiful mountain peaks located in the border of China and Kazakhstan. The translation for Khan Tengri means ruler of the sky. Now, knowing about the geography of Kazakhstan, the next thing you'll learn about is a recent form of transportation. The Almaty subway station was constructed in 2011, and Kazakhstan is slowly rising in forms of transportation. In a journal article by Darius titled "The New Underground Scene in Almaty," he states that 40-year-old engineer Tolagali knew it would take a long time to complete this station, but he didn't expect it to take 2 decades. The station opened to the public on December 1st, 2011, and within the first 6 hours of operation, 11,000 passengers were served with from Station 1 to Station 7. It's also the youngest metro in the world, and also the second station built in Central Asia. The Almaty Transportation Department estimates the cost to be about $1.6 billion to construct this. Tolagali states that it was worth taking risks and living through the hard times, and his last words before retirement was, "I won't be stepping underground, not anymore." With new transportational advances comes new opportunities to have events take place and make history. The 7th annual Asian Winter Games was located in Kazakhstan, and it's also the second country to host this in Central Asia. It's held every 4 years like the Olympics, but it's a mini version of it, which consists 26 countries and includes sports like ice skating, speed skating, skiing, and hockey. Asia was the first to host this Asian Winter Games, and the cost added up to about $1.1 billion to plan and construct this event. And overall, it was a huge success, and I had the honor to participate in this. In conclusion, I believe that Kazakhstan is a fascinating country. It has many beautiful places, nice scenery, and is slowly rising in forms of transportation as well as opportunities. Kazakhstan is a country that deserves more attention, and today we talked about the geography, population, nice places. Second, we talked about the recent forms of transportation, and lastly, we talked about the Asian Winter Games. Kazakhstan isn't just an unknown country because now all of you know